Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for discovering the most practical and parent-approved products on the market. Today, we're excited to bring you the best inflatable travel tub for your little one, the PandaEar 2-pack Baby Inflatable Bathtub and Baby Seat. Whether you're at home, on a weekend trip, or even enjoying a sunny day at the beach, this all-in-one solution is here to make your life easier and your baby's experience safer and more fun. Let's start with what's included. Both are suitable for babies aged 3 months and older. The cartoon design isn't just adorable, it keeps your little one visually engaged during bath time or play. What makes this product stand out is its commitment to safety and quality. Made from premium, BPA-free PVC, both items are designed to be gentle on your baby's sensitive skin while being tough enough to withstand regular use. The bathtub features a non-slip textured bottom to reduce slipping hazards, and the baby seat includes dual-layer airbags that provide extra stability and support, making it perfect for those first sitting sessions. Now let's talk design. The PandaEar inflatable tub takes inspiration from a whale, creating a bionic and ergonomic experience for your baby. This isn't just cute, it's functional. The raised back offers support, and the water level indicator ensures you never overfill the tub. Meanwhile, the baby seat mimics the embrace of a parent with its wraparound structure. It supports your baby's back, waist, and legs, encouraging good posture and healthy spinal development. The built-in air pump, you won't need to scramble for external inflators or lose your breath trying to set it up. The baby seat inflates in just about 3 minutes. That's faster than getting your baby dressed. And when bath time is over, you'll find a quick drain plug at the bottom of the tub for easy emptying. Both items deflate quickly and fold up compactly, making them an ideal companion for travel, outdoor use, or even daily storage in small spaces. The PandaEar combo adapts to your routine and surroundings. And if you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a new or expecting parent, this is it. Whether it's a baby shower, birthday, or festive occasion, this practical, charming, and highly portable baby care set makes a memorable present. To sum it up, the PandaEar 2-pack Baby Inflatable Bathtub and Baby Seat isn't just a baby product, it's a parenting essential. Safe, stylish, and smartly designed for the realities of everyday life. If you're a parent on the go, or simply need baby gear that adapts to your lifestyle, this set is well worth your attention. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy parenting.